Hello, teacher.
Hello, my dear Chu. How are you?
I'm happy.
Oh, what did you do last Saturday?
Um, I'm play chess and play volleyball.
Oh, you know how to play volleyball. Wow. Okay, what else? You played volleyball. What else?
Hmm.
How
Is
about last Sunday? What did you do last Sunday?
um is
I
I is breakfast.
Oh, very good. I ate breakfast. And
I
okay.
um
How about dinner tonight? What did you eat for dinner?
it it
I
is I is meat and rice and milk.
okay. And what did you drink?
The ring is milk.
Oh, okay. That's healthy. Very good. Okay, my dear. That's nice. Okay, so tonight we will play a game before we continue our lesson. Okay, are you ready? Let's play.
Yes.
Let's play a game. Okay, here we go. Okay, my dear, can you see our screen? Okay, here's our game. Okay, let's read this one.
Eat in the morning.
Okay, what do you eat in the morning?
Egg and bread and pear
Yes.
and tea.
Okay, what's this?
It's egg.
Okay, how about this one?
It's bread.
How about this?
It's cheese.
Cheese? No, it's
Pear.
no.
Mm,
Okay, do you remember it?
Asam potato.
Okay, again, my dear.
Asam potato.
Okay, do you mean sausage? Sausages.
Sausage.
Okay, very good. So again, what do you eat in the morning? Is it B, L, or D?
Um,
Is it breakfast? Is it lunch? Or is it dinner?
it's a bread.
Yes. Okay, again, what do you eat in the morning? I
Is
eat.
I eat breakfast.
Very good. Okay, now let's see the answer. Dun, 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 dun. Very good. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, my dear, next.
What do you eat in the uh, afternoon?
Okay, afternoon. Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay,
Afternoon.
what is your answer? I eat.
I eat lunch.
Yes, very good. Okay, let us see the answer.
Uh,
Oh, why afternoon? No, it's not correct. It's supposed to be lunch. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, here. Okay, let's erase this. And yes, correct. It's lunch. Okay,
Lunch.
let's write this. Can you spell lunch? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the letter? L. What's next?
O.
Okay. Or U.
Yeah.
What's
And
yeah, N. Okay, but there's K, C. Okay. And ha.
and
Okay, H. Okay, very good. Lunch. Okay, the next one here.
What do you eat in the evening?
I eat.
I eat dinner.
Very good. Okay, spell dinner.
Spell dinner.
Okay, can you spell dinner? Letter D. What's next?
Mm. E.
Okay, or I.
M.
Very good. What's next?
N.
Yes.
E.
Yes. And
R.
yes. Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Correct. Now let's go to the next one. Okay. Oh, what's this?
It is meat.
Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Very good. What's this?
It is bread.
Yes. Bread. Very good. Next. What's this?
It is
Okay, it starts with. Oh no. It starts with letter S and N.
okay.
Okay, do you have an idea? Okay, next. A.
Mhm. M.
Okay, my dear. Oh, teacher can't hear you well. Hello?
No.
Okay. Okay, can you hear teacher?
Mm.
Okay, my dear.
Is
Next is C.
a snack.
Yes, snap. Very good.
Snack.
Okay, snap. Okay, next one. How about this one? What's this?
Is bread.
What is it, my dear?
Is
Okay,
bread.
okay, this
Bread.
is bread. And okay, let us see the answer. Okay, jam.
Yeah.
Yes, strawberry jam. Okay. How about this one?
Strawberry jam.
Very good. How
Is
about this?
milk.
Okay, milk. Oh, what's this?
Is mm, hmm.
What is that? Okay, it
Is
starts
so
with no. It starts with letter C and followed by H.
cheese.
Yes. How do you spell cheese? C-H. What's next?
E
Okay. Then,
S N
what's next?
E.
Okay. But there's also an E here. Okay, cheese. Again?
Cheese.
Very good. Okay, cheese. Okay, good job. Next. Okay, my dear, what's this?
Is mm,
Okay, it swims in the water. What is that?
mm,
Okay. It starts with letter.
fish.
Yes, very good. Okay, this is fish. How about this one?
Is dry.
Okay. Oh, again, rice. Okay, let's listen
Rice.
here. Okay. Okay, rice.
rice, rice,
Rice.
Okay, that's great.
Rice.
Very good. How about, oh, yummy. What's this?
Is
This is yummy. What's this?
is pancake.
Okay. But it's not pancake. It's only, okay, cake.
Ah, cake.
Okay. Yes, cake. How about this?
Mm,
How about this?
is
Okay. See? Okay, what's this?
chips.
Okay, chips. Very good. And this one, the last one.
Is chocolate.
Yes, or chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. Okay, very good. Good job, my dear. Now you know the names of this food. Okay, congratulations. Very good. Now let's continue to our slides. Okay, now we will have, oh no.
Ah.
Okay, we will have a language practice. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, my dear, language.
Language. Mm,
Okay, practice.
practice.
Again, language practice.
Language practice.
Okay, now let's go to our practice. Okay, can you read? Can you help teacher here? Oh no. Okay, let's go back here. And, oh no. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, my dear, here, find
5, 10, give feedback
this.
to the friend about the picture.
Okay, let's find 10 differences. Compare picture 1 and picture 2. Okay?
Oh,
Okay, first. Okay, my dear, here.
here.
Okay, you can say, in picture 1, there is lemon. In picture 2, there is mango. Okay, my dear?
The one is
There is,
lamb.
there is lemon.
There is lemon. Picture 2 is the apple.
Okay, apple or mango? Okay, again, in
Mm.
picture 1,
In picture 1, the lamb. And picture
there
2,
is, okay, in
there
picture
is
1, yes, there is lemon.
there is lemon.
Okay, in picture 2,
Picture 2, there is apple.
very good. Okay, next. Oh no, okay, here. Oh no. Okay, where is the answer? Okay, my dear, wait for a minute. Oh no. Okay, let's go back here. In picture 1, here.
Mm.
Okay? In picture 1,
In picture 1 is
there
cake.
is,
There is the cake.
yeah,
In picture 2, there is rice.
very good. Okay, next. How about what's next? Oh, here. And here.
Mm. Picture 2,
In picture,
1 is
okay.
apple.
There is,
There is apple. And picture 2 is
there
orange.
is, there is,
There is orange.
okay. Again. Okay, let's say this, my dear. In picture 1, let's start from here.
And picture 1 is
There is,
apple. And picture 2 there is orange.
okay. How about this? Again.
Picture 1 there is lamb. And
Lemon,
picture 2
lemon, lemon.
lemon. And picture 2 there is apple.
Okay. How about this one again?
And picture 1 is
There
there
is,
is cake.
very good.
There is cake. And picture 2 there is rice.
Yes, correct. Okay. What's next? Oh, let's have this here.
Picture 1 is
There is
window.
no clock.
Mm.
Okay, again. In picture 1, there is no clock.
And picture 1 there is no clock. And picture 2 there is clock.
Very good. Yay, correct. Very good, my dear. That's great. You got it. Okay. How about this? Here. In
Picture 1 there is tree. And picture 2 no tree.
Yes, very good. Okay, what else? Can you help, teacher?
Mm.
Okay, can you help, teacher? What
Ah.
else? What else can you see? Okay, here, the cat. You can say, in picture 1, the cat is beside Lucy. In
Picture
picture,
one. Picture one is
the
there
cat,
is
the cat
the cat. The
is,
cat
okay,
is
let's type. Next to Lucy. Okay, the cat is
to
next
Lucy.
to Lucy. Again, in picture one, the cat is next to Lucy.
The cat is next to Lucy.
Okay, how about in
And picture
picture?
two.
The cat is behind Lucy's dad. Okay, my dear? In picture two, the cat.
Picture one is
The cat.
The cat is next to Lucy, and picture two is no
The cat
cat. The cat
is behind Lucy's dad. Okay. Okay, again, my dear. In picture one, where is the cat? In picture one, the cat is next to Lucy.
The picture one, the cat is next to Lucy.
In picture two, where is the cat?
And picture two is no the cat.
Okay, there's no cat, but here's the cat. The cat is behind Lucy's dad. Again?
The cat is behind Lucy.
Lucy's
Yeah.
dad.
Lucy, dad.
Okay, dad.
Dad.
Okay. Now let's go back here, my dear. Okay, again, let's erase this one. Okay, let's go back. In picture one.
Picture one, there is a lamb. And picture two is apple.
There is.
There is apple.
Okay. Next.
Picture one is
There
cake.
is.
Picture one is there is cake. And picture two there is rice.
Okay, very good. Next.
Picture one there is apple. And picture two there are orange.
Okay, very good. Oh, next here.
Picture one is no.
There is no.
Picture one is there is no clock. And picture two there is clock.
Very good. Next.
Picture one is
There is. Don't forget. Okay. Yes.
And picture two is there is no tree.
Yes. Okay, how's the cat? How about the cat?
Picture one is
The cat?
The cat is next to Lucy.
Okay.
And picture two is
The cat? The cat?
The cat is no.
Where is the cat in picture two? The cat is behind.
The cat is behind that Lucy.
Okay, Lucy's dad.
Lucy's dad.
Okay. Okay, my dear, one last time. Again. Dun, 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 in picture one.
Picture one is lamb.
There
Picture
is,
two.
okay, my dear, don't forget
There,
the word, there is.
there is. Picture one, there is lamb. And picture two, there is apple. Picture one, there is apple. Picture two, there is orange.
Okay.
Picture one is steak.
There is,
There is steak. And picture two, there is dry.
very good.
Picture one, there is no clock. And picture two, there is clock.
Very good.
Picture one is
There is,
there is tree. And picture two is there is no clock and
ve-
no tree.
yes, correct. Okay, here.
Picture one, there is
The cat.
the cat. There is picture one is the cat is next to the Lucy.
Next to Lucy.
Next to Lucy. And picture two is there is no cat.
Okay, the cat is
The cat is
behind.
behind the behind the behind Lucy rat.
Very good. Okay. Yay. Very good, my dear. Good job. Now you know how to construct good sentences. That's great. Okay. Congratulations. Teacher will give you a gift next time for doing great. Okay. So let's do this, my dear. Okay. What's the question?
Would you like an onion? Yes, please.
Okay, now let's do this. Okay, let's have a practice test. Okay, what's this?
It's
Oh no.
kiwi.
Oh no, teacher already. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, how about this word? Can you read it? Okay, what's the
It's
word?
breakfast.
Okay, how do you spell it? Oh, no. Okay. Okay, what's next? Can you write it for teacher? Okay, my dear, can you write it? The spelling of breakfast? Okay, it's your turn.
Mm,
Oops.
oh,
Okay, but where's the E? Where's letter E? Here.
oh,
Okay, again. Okay, my dear.
it's
Okay, let's repeat it. Okay, do it again, please. Okay, you write it
E.
again. Okay. Yes, correct. Very good. Correct, my dear. Good job. Okay, next. Okay, what's this word?
Is such
Okay, how do you spell it? Okay, write it for teacher. What's that? Okay, again. Okay, again, my dear. I will erase this and okay, you try again. Okay, what's next? It's also letter S. Okay, what's next? A. Okay, what's next? No, it's letter G. Yes, what's next? Yes, okay, right. And the last one. Yes, very good. Correct. Yay. Okay, next one. I know you know this. What's this?
Is lemon.
No.
Is
Pine.
pineapple.
Okay, how do you spell pineapple? Okay, you write it, my dear.
P
Very good. Yes.
I
Correct. Oh no, not A. I.
I
Okay, again, teacher will erase that. Okay, write it again, please. Okay. P. No, not L. Pineapple. P.
P
Okay, what's next? I. Oh no, where's the I? No, it's not E. I. Okay, very good. Next. N.
N
No, not E. N. Do you know what's N? Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, P. I. N. What's next?
P
No, it's E. Pine. Okay, apple. How do you spell apple?
I P
Another P. P P L E.
P
Okay. Okay, teacher will help you. P. Okay, A P P L E. Okay, can you spell it, my dear? P-I-N-E. Okay.
P P I N
P-I-N-E.
I P P
L-E.
L
Okay. E.
E.
Okay, very good. That's a big check. Big check. Okay, correct. And the last one, what's this?
Is coconut.
Very good. Okay, my dear, you did great. Congratulations! Yay! Okay, very good. Good job. You have a perfect score. Okay, so let's continue this on Thursday and keep growing, and we will sing a song on Thursday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Happy evening, my dear. Bye bye.
Bye
Happy,
bye.
happy